How to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. How to transfer money from PayPal to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can follow the steps, so you can go ahead and open up People on your screen first. And once you are there, you can head over to the top Wallet section, tap on the option that says Wallet. After opening a wallet, you should be finding this interface now. What you need to do is simply from the section, you need to go to the option that says Link a Card, tap on it, and once you do that, you can go ahead and link your card. For example, we have 2 cards already linked, so you can go in and tap on the card after it is linked. Once you go to the card, you will be finding some information regarding the card in this section. You need to scroll down here. You should be finding option that says Set as Preferred. Go ahead and click on it after you selected your card from which you may want to transfer. You may head over to Binance application. And once you open it up, you may go to the option that says Buy Crypto at the top. This right here, tap on it, and you will be taken to the space now. From here, you may go to Buy or Sell, and this interface, under this interface, you need to enter up the amount that you may want to transfer or get from people. Right? For example, the 000 and receive this much and log in and sign up after doing so. Head back to People, and from this Transfer Fund section, you can go and enter the amount that you may want to transfer to Binance, and there you go. So that is how you transfer money from People to Binance. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.